Hello everyone, it's Lily here, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'll walk you through how to fix TikTok when your comments are not showing. So let's get started right away. In TikTok, there are a few different ways to view comments. The first is that you can read comments from everyone who has commented on your videos by going to your inbox and selecting all activity up top, then pressing comments. The second method is to simply go to a video and hit the comment button on the right, then go through all the comments that way. If you're not seeing anything, the very first step I'd suggest is that you check your internet connection. And we're going to just do a speed test using Google Chrome. Now, go to Google and search for speed test. And then select Speed Test by Ookla, which is a reputable site for determining the speed of your internet connection. Tap the Go button. Okay, my speed is quite decent, but if yours isn't, go into your settings, select Wi-Fi, and turn it off. By doing that, you can switch to your mobile data. Because a weak Wi-Fi connection can sometimes make features like comments disappear. Even when switching to mobile data doesn't work, the next step is to clear the cache in the TikTok app. To do just that, go back into the app and select Profile in the bottom right-hand corner. Then click those three lines up top. Select Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down to where it says Free Up Space. So this is where you can clear the cache, and select that. So, clearing the cache might fix the problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, I recommend clearing some memory on your phone, such as by uninstalling various apps you downloaded or pictures from your camera roll. TikTok requires memory to work properly, and so when your phone's memory is full, these apps might slow down or stop working altogether. So, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any additional questions, please post them in the comments section below.